This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
A Princess cruise ship experienced a scary incident in Trom-zoe, Norway, when its mooring lines snapped, causing the vessel to drift away from the dock. Now, passengers shared videos online showing the submerged gangways, though no one was injured, thankfully. The Caribbean Princess was on a 14-night search for the Northern Lights voyage when the event happened. The crew acted swiftly and a tugboat towed the ship back into position, where the ship continued its journey without further issues. And Haines, Alaska has introduced a $9 per passenger fee for cruise guests starting next year to fund port facility improvements. Now, this was approved by the Haines Borough Assembly last week, and the fee will be charged to all guests arriving via cruise ships that dock or tender in the harbor. This revenue will support the town's port operations and help manage the impact of cruise tourism. The fee will increase from $9 to $12 in 2027 and up to $13 in 2029. Haines welcomed 68,000 cruise passengers this year. And a cruise company building a hotel. Yeah, Silversea Cruises is developing the world's southernmost hotel in Puerto Williams, Chile, set to be open by late next year. The 150-room hotel will support its Antarctica operations, including the Fly Cruise program that skips Drake Passage for a faster and more comfortable route. Construction is already underway in partnership with Chilean investors. And cruise line stocks were mixed on Wednesday. Carnival Corporation down 1.7%, 17.71. Royal Caribbean up 174.96. Norwegian down slightly, 19.86. And Viking up 1.6, 35.04. This week's podcast, a review of Celebrity Reflection at cruiseradio.net. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great Thursday.